Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be putting carbon wrap on this center trim console. Let's go. Best way to remove this, you are going to need some trim tools. You can find it in the description. I'm going to put a link of where I got these. And I've seen a lot of videos of guys just pulling this up and working their way around. So let's see if I can do the same thing. I'm gonna start over here. I think I see an opening. So yeah, something like that. I think it should just come up. Yeah, there you go. You just easily slide it. It should just come up. Very simple. Very straightforward. Nothing crazy. Right, there you go. And then here, I believe these are T20s, if I'm not mistaken. So what I'm gonna do is take out my T20 bit. Yeah, it's pink because it's my wife's tools, you know, so it's not good. Get the job done, right? So I'm just gonna remove this. I could put a link of where I got this drill too. It comes in handy. And there you have it. I'm gonna leave this here and I'm gonna take this back inside and put some carbon wrap on it. Let's go do that. And the first thing we're gonna do is just wipe down any pre-wax that I may have added just to make sure it's clean. Otherwise the wrap won't stick good. Then you want to make sure that you have enough carbon wrap, which I definitely do. And I'm going to peel off a carbon piece and just lay it over. Try to smooth it out as much as you can before you apply the heat gun. I like using the heat gun to remove the little creases to make sure it sticks on properly. Just actually, before I do that, apply the inside. So what I like to do is heat the corners and tuck it in. That way it secures it pretty good. The middle section, I'm just going to heat gun it and see how far I can melt it. Make sure that it grabs the edges before I cut it. so we finally wrapped the centerpiece trim, which I am really surprised I did a good job. I'm not a professional wrapper or any of that sort, but I picked up a few YouTube videos and I just observed what everybody else was doing and just copied them, you know, and that's pretty much it. Well, there you have it. All you have to do is just plop it back in and screw in the T20s screws, and you're pretty much good to go. There you go, guys. I love how it came out. Well, there you have it. It's a really hot day here in California, so sorry that I'm sweating. But guys, I'm really excited of how it just came out properly. If you're big on the details, like making sure that the pattern is going the right way, for me, it's not that much of a big deal. I kind of like the fact that the patterns are different. Wrong, I may get chewed up for saying that, but hey, I love the way it looks. It installed properly, no issues at all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you next week. I'll see you, fam.
This is the old charge pipe, and as you can tell, it's pretty flimsy, brittle. So in comparison, as you can see right here, this one is die cast.